Practice, practice, practice can make perfect man. So hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to make our words beautiful, how to speak beautifully, how to mend our speech, how to just beautify our speech so that a person who listens our voice, who listens our English language could not go away from this video. Getting the point? So if you are watching this video by clicking, after clicking, so thank you for clicking this video. And if you are not watching this video after clicking it itself playing, so still thank you for clicking, for watching, right? So in today's video we are going to discuss about how to speak English language beautifully. We speak English language, we speak a lot of things in English language, but sometimes we don't use our words as a words. Like, we speak English language, but we don't beautify our words. We don't beautify our speech, like how to speak a word beautifully, right? So if you are talking about anything on any topic, just speak beautifully so that a person, the people who are listening to you could not go away, could not feel bored. Just be a little bit psychologist thinker person. Getting the point? Just be a little bit psychologist, know the person's feeling, what the person is saying actually. Just right now currently some of the people may be thinking about it, like, I am lacking somewhere. I am speaking English language, but I myself need to improve my English language. I'm improving actually, day by day I'm learning, and today, have a look here, I am able to speak in this way. You know what, before some time I wasn't able to even speak English language in front of my camera, even for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I used to write scripts. I used to write I had to write scripts, right, to speak English language for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, so that I could not forget the words in front of the camera. But have a look here, today I'm speaking. So likewise, you also can speak English language. Don't fear, don't scare about it. Getting the point? You can, right? But to speak English language, it is very, very important to have something here, to have a purpose, to have a passion, to have a burning desire inside of you, right? It is I would say it is like necessary, not necessary, but yeah, if it is necessary inside, if it is inside of you, none can stop you and none can distract you as well. Okay, no person, no girl, nothing, none can stop you and none can distract you. If you are speaking English language, and if you are having a desire inside of you, if you are having a passion inside of you, if you are having a tenacity inside of you, none can stop you, none can distract you. Getting the point? But many people who speak English language, but they don't have passion, they don't have tenacity, they don't have desire. So without desire, whatever we will speak, it doesn't come inside of us. We will speak like usually people speak. What is the meaning of speaking if we will speak without any sense, if we will speak without any type of feelings? Speak English language but with feelings. Speak but with feelings. Okay, so that the person who is listening to you could not run away, could not go away, could not feel bored like you are speaking. Why should people listen to you? Why? There should be a reason. There must be a reason. If you are speaking, people should listen to you, right? That is called speech. That is called what do we call it? That is called, you know, a real speech. Getting the point? That is called a real beautifully that is the way to convey your message, to convey whatever you want to talk about. Okay, so if you are talking about anything, if you are talking about any type of topic, just speak beautifully. Okay, the way I'm speaking, sometimes I'm pinching, like the word I said something desire, like I'm just fluctuating this voice. What I'm doing, I'm fluctuating this voice. Sometimes it is up, sometimes it is down. Okay, in this way, if you speak English language, so you can you know, we can say lie a good impact on the people. Okay, and just they will listen you. Like, be attention and be focused while speaking English language, right? I know I am also making mistakes while speaking English language in front of this camera. What kind of mistakes I'm making? Some of the mistakes I'm making grammatically, some of the mistakes I'm making by speaking, you know, and some of the mistakes I'm just making stucking, like I'm something, you know, stucking as well. And sometimes I'm not I'm like, you know, I'm not looking in front of the camera continuously. Sometimes I'm looking at here, sometimes I'm looking at there. So it also, affects, it also shows unconfidence. Okay, and I was a person who was unconfident. Okay, but now every single day I practice in front of this camera to make myself confident, and one day I believe I also can become a confident person, and you also can become a confident person. Okay, nothing is impossible in this world as long as you try. The word impossible itself says I am possible. Getting the point? So my friend, I just want to say one thing. Speak whatever you are speaking, but speak by using beautiful word. My goodness, my hand is just, you know, it's getting, what do we call it, you know, hand ache, we can say. Okay, hand ache, it's just paining. So what I wanted to say that, speak. If you are speaking, many people speak in this world. Everyone speaks. Some speak beautifully, some speak without any sense, some speak no one wants to listen, some speak everyone, you know, goes away. So if you are speaking and no one is listening, know about it. Why people are not listening to you? Why? What is the reason behind it? What is the reason? If your videos are not being watched by anyone, what is the reason? Know about the reason. You know, today I'm just practicing in this way to make me confident. Getting the point? And one day, inshallah, I believe that I can be, I will be, I must be a confident person. Okay, I must be a confident person in my life, in my future. Okay, so these small things, every single day, whatever we do, don't underestimate the power of small things. Don't underestimate, and never ever underestimate a person who looks like very shy, who looks like he cannot do something in his life. He looks, oh, he's unknowledgeable person, who looks unconfident person, who looks, oh, he doesn't know how to do this thing, how can he be the person who could do something big in his life? No, there is nothing like that. Getting the point? No one can, decide a person who the person could be, or who the person should be. Getting the point? If a plant, you plant somewhere, and after some time you water, you just look after it, and you water it, you do everything whatever is necessary, and after some time you don't expect about it, like what will be happen after some time. But it grows, and one day it becomes a tree. And after becoming a tree, I never spoke in front of my villagers, so that is why I'm sorry for interfere. That is why I was just doing that kind of things. So if a tree grows and you water it, you look after it, you cannot even expect, you cannot hope like it will grow and what will be happen. But once it becomes a tree, a huge tree, so initially it was very tough for that tree, for that plant to grow up, okay, to get its branches, long branches and leaf. But when it becomes a tree, it provides us shadow, it provides us a better, what can I say, a better shadow, a better environment, a better we can say place to sit down, right? So be the person who could help the people, okay, who could help other people. Life is nothing like earning money, having food, sleeping, and just doing our work. It is not called life. Life is called a life in which you are helping others, you are living, brother, we can say in a brotherhood, you are living by helping each others, you are living with your family happily. Getting the point? So in this video I really wanted to share only one thing. If you are speaking something, so just speak beautifully, okay, so that the people who are not we can say who are not being attention, they could be attention, okay. I know my English is not as much good as it should be, but still I'm trying, and one day I believe that my English will be improved, and it is going on as well, it is improving day by day, right? So in today's video, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be little bit informative for you, little bit motivated for you, little bit knowledgeable for you. So thank you for watching.